Jack's Gaming, and welcome back to bedroom renovation. It's been a little while since I have not done a video because I've been very busy, but this is part 20, and in this one, once again, I have got a lot of things to show you because I have been very, very busy, and that is why there hasn't been one for over a week. But this is not the end of the renovation series because there is more on the way. So make sure you stay around for them. But in this one, I've got more to show you. So we are going to start off with these. So these are my England giant flags, which are going to be hanging on literally above my window outside. But of course you won't be able to see them, so obviously they'll be outside. But I thought I'd just show you now. Yep, so that's them. Okay, right, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you my my window. Now, I believe that my window is now finished. I believe I won't be adding anything else. So you can see that these are all my teddy bears. So, yeah, yeah, I believe I won't be adding any more on here. But never say never. So, yeah, so these are in here. I can't remember what he's called. Obviously, you'll have to let me know in the comments because I forgot his name. But yeah, we've got Mario, we've got Peach, we've got tiny baby Diddy Kong. We do have original Diddy Kong, which I still have, but he'll be going somewhere. We've got Luigi, we've got White Mario, Bowser, Toad, Yoshi, Baby Koopa, and then normal Koopa. So yeah, so that is my wall of teddies on there. Obviously, I've had most of these for years and years. And then, if we head over to the other window, once again, it's full of teddies, but obviously lots of different ones. So we've got Shadow, we've got Knuckles, we've got little tiny baby Sonic, we've got Tails, we've got a monkey, we've got a green frog, a dog, a minion, tiny baby Mario, a little mushroom cow, and these new things that I got recently. So I've got a creeper plushie and a ocelot plushie. So yeah, so that is that window. Right, anyway, let's move on. So, this is my shelf at the moment. It's nearly finished. But there is a few new things that I have added. So the first one is this one. So this is a new one that I recently got. So it's a Mario version. So we've got a sunflower, a star, and a mushroom. And then if we head on to this one, this one's new. This is a piglin. So that's that one. I think I might have already showed that one. I think that one's already showed off. And then we've got my glasses here, which I've decided to put on a shelf. We have got this one, which is there. We've got this one down here, which is new. So this is a Xbox Lite, which is that one there. And I believe that is I think I've showed all the others off. But if you haven't seen them anyway, I'm just going to show them off again. So obviously we've got Minecraft related things. We've got PlayStation. We've got Mario. We've got Xbox. We've got Pac-Man. We've got a piranha plant. Yeah, so that's the wall in full. If you haven't seen them then, you might have watched the last video where I showed them off, but you might have not. So that is that. We've still got some more gaps under there, which of course I will be filling in with other things. But make sure you stay around for that because that will probably feature in the next video, where I'm going to be showing you more ornaments and all of that. Okay, the next thing is I've got a new LED light. Now the other one that I did have, it broke. unfortunately. So I had to get a new one. And by the way, this is off Temu. If you don't know what Temu is, it's basically it's kind of like an app like Amazon, but it's got like cheaper things on it, and it's actually really cool, by the way. It's really cool. So yeah, so that is that. It's not lit up, but I'm going to show you it now. And there we are. Look at that. Does it not look really cool? So I believe I will be keeping it here. I mean, I was originally going to have it over there, but obviously the wire's not big enough. And if I show you the remote, oh, it's up here. Yeah, these are all the different buttons, look. So if it's going to focus, there we go. Oh, I've got it. Oh, I had it upside down. So we've got the power button. We've got up and down, ESET, ES, E3, E7, E16, jump, flash, auto. Obviously, I'm gonna have to work all these out. I don't even know what these do. These ones. I've got no idea. But yeah, I'll definitely show you. Well, I'll hopefully work them all out. But yeah, so that is my LED light, and I think this one does look better than the other one that I had before. But the good thing is, I'm glad it works, because if it didn't work, then I would have been in bother, really. But yeah, I'm actually glad it works. So at least that's a good thing. Right, up next, we have got my Liverpool plates, as you can see. I've got new ones now. So obviously I've already showed you this one, but you can see I've got more of them now. So I've got this one called Liverpool. This means more. This is Anfield, Liverpool Anfield Road. And then this poster down here, that's actually the same as the other one that I showed you before. But it's a different one. It says, "You never walk alone," and it's got the song down there. Yeah, it's the same as the other one, but it's just a bit different. It's just a different one. So yeah, so that is that. And then if we're moving over here, we've got this one, which I've had I've had this for a long time, but I thought I'd re-put it back on the wall. So that's that one. I have got I forgot to show you this before actually, but this is a Pac-Man light, which is on this shelf. So that's that. And then if we move up here, we have got a new plate. This is called Just One Game. So this is a gaming one. So yeah, so that is that one. Right, back over here again. Next up, we've got this PlayStation controller picture, which looks really cool. So it's the same as this one, but obviously it's just a bit of a different one. So that looks really cool, actually. I like that. So I decided to put it next to this one, just because obviously I just thought, you know, why not? So we've got that. And then, over here, obviously you've already seen the main car, but you can see I've added a few things around it. So you can see I've added some more things. So we've got the Edge of Speed, and then we've got American Muscle car up there, and then we've got that. I believe that's an American Muscle car as well. And then if we move over here, you can see I've got a Super Mario poster, which I've decided to add on the door, which is pretty cool. And then over here, that's the other big car. And then you can see I've added some more of these plates up here. So I've got Street, Legend, and Midnight Drive. And then if we head down here, there's the Rossi one. We've got a Lamborghini design. And then, on this door, we've got a Spider-Man poster. So, yeah, so it's Miles Morales, if you don't know. He's kind of the new Spider-Man. So, yeah. Yeah, I actually found these two posters. I just thought I'd add them, even though I am a big fan of Spider-Man, and I'm looking forward to the new one this year. I just thought I'd add it on there. Same with this one. Because I thought I'd put these up because obviously, you know, I'm a huge fan of them both. So, yeah, I just thought I'd do that, and I think that's it, guys. So there is a few gadget stuff that I recently opened, didn't I? Can't really remember. Actually, you know what? I'll show them off in the next. I think I might do a separate part for them, because I recently opened a few gadgets. So I might show those off in the next part video. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think. But yeah, so that's that's it. So I'm just gonna give you a bit of an update. I have decided that I am gonna be getting some more of them flat plates. So on this wall there's gonna be four more on this one. So there's gonna be one in that corner over there. There's gonna be one there, and then there's gonna be one here, and then there's gonna be one there. So yeah, there's gonna be four more on that one, and then on this one there is gonna be four more on this one as well. So I've decided that I'm gonna be having some bike ones, some more bike ones, of course. So there's gonna be two up there, and then there's gonna be two on that wall on there. Yeah, so all the cars on that one, and then obviously there's some cars there, but obviously the rest will be bikes on there. So there's going to be more of them. On this side is now finished. I won't be adding anything else on this side. Yeah, that side is now all done. And then up here, there is going to be some more football ones up here. So yeah, so basically, you know, along that bit there's going to be more on there. I've decided that I'm not adding any more on here because obviously that's kind of full now. The same on here as well. There's going to be no more on here because you can see that's kind of full up. The reason why that I haven't added any above my shelves is because that I am going to be putting stuff on there. At the moment, they're still empty. But yeah, there won't be any underneath them. I mean, I've decided to not add one up there just because I don't think I'll be able to reach right up there. So I think that wall is just going to be completely blank. I've kind of decided. Well, yeah, it will be because obviously with the tall things I'll be adding on the shelves. So yeah, so that is kind of like that. But yeah, so yeah, that's that is it. So yeah, there's still more to do still. But we are getting ever closer to the finished look, which is, you know, very exciting. And obviously when it's all done, I'll be able to show you a full tour of it as well, because obviously there'll be a lot to do. But yeah. So like I said, still more work to do. But we are getting closer to the end of putting everything up. But you know. But yeah, there is still more ornaments and that, which still need doing. So I will be doing all of them in time. But yeah, it's looking good. So yeah, that is it, guys. So hopefully yeah, you've enjoyed this one. Yeah, obviously I've just been very busy through the last week. That's why there hasn't been one. But yeah, so yeah, I just thought I'll just give you an update. Because yeah, going back to Temu, by the way, obviously this is where I got most things from. Most things. It takes a while to come because obviously it's from China. So like everything took a while to come, so that's why there hasn't been one for a little while. And I did actually say that I was going to do all the pictures in this video anyway. But there is going to be another pictures one because I've decided that I will be adding more. But obviously this will be like, you know, the final kind of pictures that I will be doing. So there you go. But yeah, that won't feature in the next video. It'll be the video after that. So it'll be part 22 that I will be doing some more pictures. And it'll actually be the final ones. So in the next one, it probably will be a bit of a shorter one. I'm just going to be showing you a few things that I've kind of unboxed recently, and I will be using it for like my gaming stuff. So I'm going to be doing that in the next one. But I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you later. Bye.